In a histogram, each bar asks, if my height becomes the rectangle height, how far can I expand left and right? Brute force boundary search is expensive. A monotonic stack gives those boundaries in O, N. You are given histogram bar heights. Choose a contiguous set of bars to form a rectangle. The rectangle height is limited by the shortest bar in that range, and width is the number of bars chosen. Find the maximum area. For a bar of height h, a rectangle of height h can expand until it hits a smaller bar on the left or right. Those smaller bars are the boundaries. Width is right boundary minus left boundary minus 1. Area is height times width. The stack keeps heights increasing. When the current height is smaller, the stack top has found its right boundary. That top bar cannot extend past current because current is shorter. Pop it, use the new stack top as the left boundary and current index as the right boundary. In the example, when current height 2 arrives, the stack top is 6. Since 2 is smaller, rectangle for 6 is finalized. Width is 1, area is 6. Now top is 5. Current 2 is also smaller than 5, so finalize 5. Its width is 2 and area is 10. That becomes the best answer. Add a sentinel 0 so all pending bars pop at the end. If current height is smaller than the stack top height, calculate the rectangle for the top bar. After popping, the left boundary is the new stack top, or minus 1 if the stack is empty. Width is I minus left minus 1. Update the result. The sentinel 0 is a neat cleanup trick. Without it, increasing bars can remain in the stack after the loop. Then you need a separate cleanup loop. Since 0 is smaller than all bars, it forces every remaining bar to pop. The most common mistake is the width formula. Width is current index minus left boundary minus 1. Store indices, not values. Do not forget the sentinel or a cleanup loop. For duplicate heights, be intentional about less than versus less than or equal. Time is O, N, because each bar is pushed once and popped once. Space is O, N, for the stack. The mental model is, a smaller current bar becomes the right boundary for all taller bars,